Hi everyone, it's Ash and Emmett here from the channel team. We've had a number of questions around evaluation blades over the last couple of weeks, so we're just going to take you through a quick video of how to provision and create an all-in-one evaluation blade, which is going to be the quickest way to stand up a security gateway for your customers. So the first thing you're going to need to do is navigate to User Center. Once you've got to User Center, you can click the Learn tab. From Learn, we can click Product Evaluations. From here, we're going to select the all-in-one evaluation blade. Then we can click Next. We'll then be asked for the user center number of our customer, which I can select from my drop-down here, or I can select type another user center and manually type out a different ID here. We can also, at this point, we can also add the management IP if you know it. If you don't, this can be added later. Then we're also going to select an email for the person who's going to receive the licensing information. This has to be an email which is associated with the user center already, so I can just use mine. Then we're going to add some information about the customer who will be using the evaluation blade. Once that's done, we can click Get Evaluation. And then we should be emailed through the licensing instructions. Okay, from this screen, we can see that the license has been successfully provisioned and we've been taken through to the license instructions. These licensing instructions will also be sent to the nominated email address that we selected in the previous window. And as you can see here, we've got the licensing instructions. There's a couple of different ways that we can attach the license. We could either use Smart Update, which is one of Checkpoint's licensing tools. We could also attach it over CLI, which we can see the instructions for here. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to use Smart Update. You may also want to validate that the license has been attached to the correct user center. So if we navigate back to Product Center, select the relevant account and navigate to Evaluations, we should be able to see that the evaluation blade that we've added is now associated to the account. And as we've already nominated the management IP, that's automatically populated here. If we hadn't selected the management IP already and we needed to attach it, we could select the relevant license, click license, and enter the management IP at this point.
Hi there, it's Emmett here. Thank you, Ashley, for taking us through that element of the process. I'm now just going to show you how to apply a license then from within our Smart Update. So right here, I've logged into my management server, as you can see, and from the top left corner, I'm just going to click and then select Manage Licenses and Packages. That will then open up the Licenses and Packages tool, which is contained here. It's called Smart Update. And then from here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select licenses and contracts, and then I'm going to add a license from a file. The file has already been emailed to me by Ashley, so I've just saved that in my local directory. So we select the file, we hit open, and then you can see here, import file. The file contains two licenses. One license have been attached. And then to attach the other one to the gateway, all I need to do is just select the actual gateway here, right-clicked, and then select Attach License. It will then show me the gateway license as well. So I can attach that, and there we are, job done. I now have the eval license attached to the management and gateway servers. One final thing to note, the license that we've applied is what we call our all-in-one license, and that will unlock all of the management capabilities and all of the gateway capabilities for a 30-day period. Thank you very much for your time.